Give every student a voice by transforming your Google slide presentations into classroom conversations with a variety of interactive and formative assessment options.
And so this allows them to answer anonymously. Everybody's answering, so I don't have to pick and choose, and I can get the results immediately. So if I see that everybody is answering incorrectly, I know that I didn't cover that information very well, and then I can go back immediately and correct any misconceptions or misunderstandings that the students might have.
I think using Pear Deck is really helpful when doing presentations. It can help me know what's important, and I can interact more with the presentation rather than just taking notes on things that I'm not sure what I'm really taking notes on.
I like using Pear Deck because we're able to get instant feedback on what we learn in class. So we can understand right away if we're getting what we learn or not.
I think it's a really good learning tool. It engages you in the presentation. You're not just reading a slide. You have to pay attention to answer questions after a few slides. It's really good.
I really like using Pear Deck because the questions kind of kept you focused on the content, whereas before it would be easy to get distracted by something. But every couple minutes you ask a question about the content, you're like, oh, it's kind of fun, and it brings you back to what you're learning. It's almost like a pre-study to you studying at home. So it's kind of just like taking notes with a pencil. The questions kind of allow you to focus on the content.
Oh yeah, I can definitely tell the difference. Before I started using Pear Deck, I kind of got that glazed over look as I was going over various slides, information on the slides. And nobody was answering my questions when I would ask a question. And now with Pear Deck, they know they're going to be asked a question eventually, and so they're paying attention. It's a good way to check for understanding. It keeps the students engaged, and it's really easy to do. It takes seconds.